is our building here. So we've got the reception block just behind us here, and our building's here. We're on the 4th floor with a preferred lagoon view, which should be facing towards the Polynesian, I would have thought, but we shall see. Got to find the lift now. Just walking into the entrance lobby. Ooh. Oh, that smell, so good. Where is the lift? There is the lift. In we go. Ooh, we're at the top of this part of the building actually. But look at we've got like vaulted-y type ceiling. How cool is that? These are the recently refurbished rooms as well, because they've got the what you call them, birds on the chandelier.
Yes. Right, just do a quick room tour for you because we are tired. This is the end of travel day between Disney California and Disney World. But we are in the Grand Floridian, our first time staying here. This is room
9401.
9401.
We'll put the building name in here as well, because 9 stands for the building, so it's building 9, and each building has a number, and obviously the 4 is 4th floor.
I said that moved my lips.
Yep.
Right, so we've got the door, obviously, door to the room. We'll start there. On my left, big cupboards here. So we've got a full-length mirror, extra pillows and blankets at the top there, which they've got the blue lock on to know if you've used it or not. Then we've got nice robes, which we'll see if they're any bigger than the Disneyland ones, with a suitcase stand. There's a long handled dustpan and brush behind it, and quite a decent amount of hanging space. And on this side, a bit more storage space, the hairdryer, which I won't be using.
That as well.
I don't think Dan will either. Handheld steamer, so basically like an iron. Quite a decent size, very decent size safe there actually.
It's the same as the one we had in Disneyland, so I wonder if they're doing that in all of them now, that size.
That's being refurbed, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's also a list of all the amenities that you should have in the room, all the bowls and the baking sheets and stuff. More storage space down the bottom there. To my right, as you come in.
Our left.
My right. There's a nice big bathroom. The whole room is themed to Mary Poppins. But here, lovely lit up mirror like we had in the California one. It's really pretty.
Pretend like you're getting yourself ready in your dressing room.
Theirs and theirs sinks, double sinks, fighting over the soap dish, which I'll put there so I don't spill water across the worktop. And plenty of towels underneath and spare toilet roll and artwork. All the artwork is also based on Mary Poppins. So obviously you've got the fair, which is very generic sort of Mary Poppins, but big top and fair, Victorian-esque, Victoriana. And we have the body lotion, vanity kit, mouthwash, and the shower cap. I'm not particularly sure what they call a vanity kit.
No, it's got cotton buds in, or Q-tips.
Yeah, cotton pads, cotton swabs, and the nail file. Sliding door. So if somebody wants to use the bathroom or you're having a wash, you can do. But again, it's a decent size. Got a nice big overhead shower. A nice big chunky looking tap for the bath. It's really nice.
Handheld shower too.
I quite like the brass, the Victorian look to it. Yeah, you've got the handheld shower, that's Dan just said. And then you've got the all the cleaning things here. Disney still got the Sea Marine shampoo, Sea Marine conditioner, and Sea Salt body wash.
Used to be H2O, but no longer exists anymore.
Yeah. And there's a line in there for doing your drying if you go swimming, for example, your shorts are still wet. Back into the main room, lovely wood effect, lino-y weather floor. Microwave.
Microwave.
Yeah.
Don't know what you were expecting to find in there, but okay.
Sometimes they might have had some decent dishes or something there you could use it for, I don't know. The coffee cup dispensary thingy, cups and glasses, because in the drawer here you've got all your knickknacks. You got your little pods, sugars, various coffees, decaf and whatever, tea bags for Dan.
Important.
Yeah.
Have to get some milk.
Plastic, plastic cutlery and paper plates and things.
Yeah, it seems to be they do that in the studios, but in like the one bedrooms they give you proper stuff.
Yeah.
Don't know why.
But yeah, we probably won't be using much of it anyway. There's not much we're going to be cooking in the room, microwaving. Down here, we have a fridge, which I can't. No, that side. Okay. It is cold. Okay, I wasn't sure if it was on or not.
Wow. When we turned up, I'd looked in that cupboard and the door was open on the fridge. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice big long side here for our,
excuse the bits we've already put on there.
for our lounge fry bags and stuff to go on like we did in California. Mm-hmm. Decent, nice wide stool there for those of us with ample posteriors.
Which we both have.
Recycling bin, they should do these days, a split between recycling and non-recycling. A couple of nice, decent sized drawers this side. Mm-hmm. They do look slightly deeper than the California ones.
I think they are, yeah.
I would imagine these are exactly the same this side.
They are, yes.
Dan's I checked. I do like the handles on these though.
Yeah, like crystal-esque.
Yeah. This is the first time we've got this thing that Dan's going to tell you the name of.
It's called Hey Disney.
Oh yes, it's on the bottom there.
No, nothing.
No, it's picked you up. Didn't pick you up when we got here.
Yeah, it's because it was muted.
Okay.
Which is basically Disney's version of Alexa and Google.
Yeah. Two nice big beds. So we don't know, we haven't decided yet whether we're going to share, like we always do at home, or whether we're going to do the Disney thing of spreading out and having a bed each, but depending on how irritable we are in the heat.
Yes.
Artwork again in here. Nice watercolour effect artwork. Mary herself coming down on an umbrella.
Cherry Tree Lane.
Yep, so you see all the pink cherry trees in the house, and the captain's house next door with the...
Admiral Boom.
Yeah. Mr. Pinnacle.
I think the fireworks have started.
Yeah. This one over here I really like. Spot this one as soon as we came in, from Mary Poppins Returns, because you've got the ribbon on the wheel where it broke in the film. I can't remember the name of the horse, but yeah, so that'll be Mary and that lot in there.
Ooh, that one tickled my tail.
Yep. The bedsides, plenty of USBs and other sockets down here.
Yeah, I'll get a close up of one.
Yep, I should let you get in there and have a look.
Just so people can see. I will just note that I tried to use the one on that side and it wasn't working for the USB, but the plugs might work.
Okay. Likewise, the two, there are in the bed frames, Dan's going to go over and show you, there are lights like we have in the hotel in London. That they should, as soon as you lift them up.
Yeah, because they've got like a little button here that turns it on and off.
So like this side works just by lifting it up, it should come on as like a little reading light. But for some reason that one doesn't work on neither of these two. So we'll have to let them know about that. Could just be that it's not plugged in somewhere properly. The light switches for everything behind the lamp here. So you turn obviously everything on like Blackpool illuminations to show you the room tour. You can order breakfast and dinner to your room. And on the side of here we've got some more USBs and sockets. I love the carpet under the beds. This is really nice.
Yes.
All the foliage not on it. But our favourite piece of decor in the room, we saw this on the room tour we had 2 years ago, where it's all Mary Poppins themed. It's the little birds. This comes out into a big sofa bed.
Not big, just one single.
Yeah, but it's still enough to sleep on for one big person. Should you have more than the 4 people or however many you want to squeeze into a bed. Vaulted ceilings, or as Cogsworth might have said, note the flying buttresses in the late neoclassic Baroque period. And as I always say, if it ain't Baroque, don't fix it. But a slightly unlevel floor, we're going to let them get away with that because you can see the skirting board, a gap and we'll let them off for that. Yeah, you got all these, obviously we're on the apex bits here. I don't know how well this is going to show, being it's night time. And those with good hearing can hear boom, boom, boom in the background because fireworks are going off.
Yeah, I'm not sure the microphones will be picking it up right now, but yeah.
Cool. Well, we have a little veranda, balcony, so lift up the little latch, turn that, Headbutt the poles as you go out. Feel the humidity.
But
Yeah. One chair and one table for 2 people.
well, technically the room seats 5, so
Yeah. But if you look across to our left, you can see what this looks like from the outside. These little covered verandas are really cute. You should be able to, by now, hopefully be able to hear what sounds like almost like thunder, but that's obviously the fireworks going off in Magic Kingdom.
yes. And I don't know if Bob knows, so this building over here is the original DVC Villas building.
Right.
But this one that we're in has recently been converted to DVC Villas.
Yes, this is what we toured 2 years ago, wasn't it? This building.
What about? And just to point out, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but just to the left of that building, just there, the darker building, that's the new Polynesian tower that's being built.